In my previous video, we explored a bunch of formal and informal greetings that are commonly used in modern French, and in this video, I want to share 20 different ways of saying goodbye in conversational French with you. C'est parti! So I'm using the same color coding system as in my previous video for the slides here. Red means you're being formal, blue means you're being informal, and when something applies to both formal and informal situations, I went with gold. I'm sure you've heard au revoir before. It's pronounced au revoir, which means that AU is an opened O sound, which is very unusual. Normally AU is pronounced O. So this is an exception, and honestly I can't think of another one. Definitely drop the E sound after the R, so au revoir. You go from 3 syllables to 2 syllables. It's standard spoken French, and life's too short, so just drop the E. Do pronounce the subtle R at the end of au revoir, because it would sound weird without it. Just like for bonjour, like you want to make the R sound. If you're not sure how to pronounce it, go back to my previous video. I go through the process. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure means see you later today. This is important because it's used wrong a lot. L'heure in à tout à l'heure means the hour. So when you say à tout à l'heure to someone, you expect to see them again in a matter of hours, not days, not weeks. It has to happen the same day, and you already know it. À with a grave accent, un accent grave, when it's followed by a point in time, means see you. See you whenever that point in time is. So it can be tout à l'heure, later today, in a few hours, or it can be bientôt. Bientôt means soon. Okay, so à bientôt means see you soon. There's a nasal vowel in bientôt, and the pronunciation is yen. Bientôt. Au plaisir. Au plaisir. Au plaisir de vous revoir. Au plaisir de vous revoir. Here, the preposition au, au is a closed O, which is the regular pronunciation for that preposition. Au plaisir de vous voir means to the pleasure of seeing you again, and you can just say au plaisir for short. It's not uncommon for restaurant owners or waiters or hairstylists to say that as you're leaving their establishment. The implication is that they look forward to doing business with you again, but it's also a warm invitation for you to come back. Salut, tchao. Salut, tchao. Salut and ciao means the same thing in French and Italian, and they're used the same way. They're used to say both hi and bye in an informal way. Ciao is often misspelled in French because the original Italian spelling seems a little bit counterintuitive to French people, and the O is stressed at the end of the word as opposed to the A in Italian, because the stressed syllable is the last syllable in French. So the French say ciao, not ciao, like in Italian. And by the way, you can also say bye in French, the English word. That's totally fine, and it's considered informal. So you might hear, okay, bye, bye, allez, bye, bye, bye. À plus tard, à plus, à tout à l'heure, à tout. À plus tard means see you later, usually the same day. À plus tard. Don't pronounce any of the final consonants, so à plus tard, à plus tard. It's very similar to à tout à l'heure, which we already covered, but you can make both expressions more casual, more informal by truncating them. So you can get rid of tard and à l'heure, and that leaves you with à plus and à tout, which are very commonly used, super conversational. So à plus and à tout, they both mean see ya or later. À la prochaine, à très vite. À la prochaine, à très vite. À la prochaine is also an ellipsis. It's short for à la prochaine fois. Fois means time. So really it means see you next time. The O is closed and the AI is an open E sound, like in the word fair in English. So it's à la prochaine, à la prochaine. It's a very general equivalent of see you around. You can say when you don't know when you're going to see the person next. À très vite. À très vite is criticized by some people because it's not proper French grammar, but it doesn't matter because it's super popular and there's not much you can do about it. It literally translates to see you very fast, see you very quickly, which doesn't make a ton of sense in English. I guess a better equivalent would be see you very shortly, but it has a different connotation. When you use it in French, you're actually really excited. It's a very friendly, warm thing to say. It means you can't wait to see the person again, and you hope that it's going to be really soon. It's very common. Now we're entering a more neutral territory. À demain. À demain means see you tomorrow. You can definitely drop the after the de sound. I hear both options used. I actually use both as well. So it can be à demain or à demain, à demain, à demain, à demain, à demain. Notice that the French de sound is different from English, and it's similar to the French te sound in that the tip of your tongue needs to touch the back of your lower teeth. À demain, à demain, à demain, à demain, à demain. You can also add any day of the week after a with a grave accent. The accent is very important, otherwise it's a conjugated verb. So you can go with à lundi. Lundi means Monday, so à lundi is see you Monday. À mardi is see you Tuesday, and so on. À mercredi, see you Wednesday. À jeudi, see you Thursday, etc. À la semaine prochaine. À la semaine prochaine. À la semaine prochaine means see you next week. Semaine is week, prochaine is next. Do drop the in la semaine to sound more natural, and also because it's a longer phrase. In fact, none of the e's in à la semaine prochaine are actually pronounced. Bonne journée, bonne soirée, and bonne nuit. Okay, when you want to tell someone to have a good day after an exchange, you can say bonne journée. Bonne journée literally means good day, just like bonjour, but the difference between journée and jour is that jour expressed is a simple unit of time, whereas journée with the extra né at the end refers to the day in its entirety, the entire duration of the day. So it's a bit different. Saying bonne journée is like saying enjoy the rest of your day, all of it. So it's really the equivalent of have a good day, not good day. So bonsoir, good evening. Bonne soirée, have a good evening. And bonne nuit is used to say good night to someone who's about to go to bed, to sleep. It's pretty specific. Be sure to not pronounce the T at the end of nuit, even though it is a feminine noun, but the T is not pronounced. And finally, bonne semaine. Bonne semaine means have a good week. You can't drop the in semaine. You can't say bonne semaine because that gives you 3 consonants in a row, and that doesn't work in spoken French. Bonne semaine. Bonne semaine. Bonne fin de semaine. Here you can drop the after the D. Bonne fin de semaine. Bonne fin de semaine. Bonne fin de semaine. And that's enjoy the rest of your week. This is something that you can start saying on Thursday because la fin de semaine, the end of the week, includes Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Notice that the vowel in fin is nasal, so you can't pronounce the end. It's pronounced fin, not fin, even though fin is a feminine word and it looks like it could be masculine. Bonne fin de semaine. Bonne fin de semaine. Bonne fin de semaine. And bon weekend applies specifically to Saturday and Sunday. You no longer have to hyphenate the word. This used to be the official spelling in French, but now you can use the English spelling as well, just one word. Bon weekend. Bon weekend. End is the stress syllable here. It's longer. Bon weekend. Bon weekend. And we're all done for now. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Remember, you can download this list of expressions for free as a PDF guide. It's called Authentic French Greetings, and the link is in the description. I even included a link to an audio recording if you want to practice the pronunciation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to help this channel grow, and I'll see you next time. À la prochaine!